a sister is asking, is it allowed, should you say I'm a Salafi, or should you follow the Salafi manhaj? She's asking.
Yani, did you see me saying I am a Salafi, 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 I am Salafi, I'm holding a badge here saying Salafi? Allahul Musta'an. But if I'm asking the person, you see, they label me Salafi. Why? Because they see me. I am not doing except for the Salafiyah. I'm championing only the scholars of the Salafiyah. I'm doing the Quran and the Sunnah. But I'm not saying I'm Salafi. When it comes to the manhaj, I always explain what is Salafiyah manhaj. But I'm not really, brother, I'm Salafi. So my dhikr is all Salafi. What is this? I mean, the people really, subhanAllah. So this is asking, should I say Salafi? Who's asking you to go and give your identity Salafi? But if you are in the midst of people who are understanding what the Salafiyah, and they're going to ask you, I'm not going to say, I'm a Muslim. What Muslim are you? What type of Islam? Are you Sunni or Shia? No, a Sunni. What type of you Sunni? Are you Sufi? I'm Salafi. Yeah. No, I'm on the book of Allah and the Sunnah of the Prophet of Allah and the understanding of the companions, which is the Salafiyah. It's a shortcut. But some of the people take the word Salafiyah as a hizb. We do have, unfortunately. So we've got now super diesel Salafi, unleaded Salafiyah, so jihadi Salafiyah, classical Salafiyah. Jihadi Salafiyah. What is this? Salafi is Salafiyah. There's no name for the Salafiyah. And that's why when the scholars ask, what is the sign of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah? He said the sign of it that there is no name for them is Ahlul Sunnah. That's the name. They have no other name. Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah. But now Ahlul Sunnah, it encompasses Ahlul Sunnah. They've got Ash'ariyya Ahlul Sunnah. Allahul Musta'an. The ones with the deep in Aqid is called Ahlul Sunnah. They say Ahlul Sunnah al-Ash'ariyya. No, Ahlul Sunnah is not al-Ash'ariyya. Ahlul Sunnah is not Ash'ariyya. Ahlul Sunnah, Ash'ariyya. Abu al-Hasan al-Ash'ari, who is the founder of this such, he just backed off from it. So who told the sister to go and keep saying I'm Salafi? Because some of the people, if they don't understand this word, it's not right to give them that word. Because they think you are old. So which company do you belong to? Which agency you pay your fees to? You understand me? Because the Ikhwanis, they take 10% cut from their salaries, these people, as well as I would say contribution to be from a member of the party. Now,